My gang, my fam, my love, what is up? Welcome back. Let's get him out the frame though. I haven't posted in like 3 weeks. I don't know, too long. It's been too long. I've got braids. I did my own braid. Oh my god, so much has happened. But your girl braided her own hair, and of course I made a whole freaking video about it, but I just did not like the way it turned out. So of course I didn't post it like a typical content creator, okay? But if you want the video, I got you. Just comment, let me know. I definitely want to braid my hair again. I'm going to be braiding my hair again soon, and I actually want to get your opinion on what style I should try next. And yes, I'm trying it myself, I'm doing it myself. I'm gonna try my best to post it this time. But we're here, we're back, and we're taking the braids out. We're bringing the curls back. What I like to always say is please set aside the amount of time it took in the braids to take them out. Don't rush it. It's gonna take a minute. Yes, it is, but just enjoy it, be present, and be gentle on your hair, most importantly. But I know why you're here. I know why you clicked. You're here for the easy breezy wash day, and also what I gotta say about Fenty. But just pre-claimer, ain't no Fenty products in this video, unlike maybe every other hair care content YouTuber right now is doing a review on Fenty Hair. I am not. I have not bought any new products. Today we're using some products that I've made maybe about 5 videos at least on these products, on this combo, just because I love them that much. And what's more authentic than bringing you something that I know that I love? Not to give no hate to hair reviews, because you know eventually I probably will review it, but it just wasn't in my spirit to. But let's get into this wash day. When I want a good wash day, I'm going to use products that I can rely on, and what better than one of my favorite shampoos by MIELLE and haircare. I've raved about this shampoo. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. It's not a hydrating. It's going to get your hair stripped. It's gonna clean it, but that's what I need, especially after a protective style. And you know, I just haven't been doing anything with my hair and just dirt and everything else has just been building up. I love to go in with a cleansing shampoo like this one, and go in with it twice. So listen, not only was it not in my spirit to go out of my way to go buy some Fenty products, but it was also not in my wallet to go buy some Fenty products. I can't say I was honored enough to be on the PR list, but shout out to the girls that were, because listen, I have been watching so many reviews lately and they are awesome. I just love the creativity that people put into their videos and just the perspectives. I think it's kind of hard to really know what's going to work for your hair until you try it, and I feel like that's a lot coming from me as someone who's, you know, on your screen that's like, hey, I love this, maybe you should try it. You know, one thing I have gathered from all the reviews is like one person can give it a 10, another can give it a 0, and really no review is going to matter as much as your own. Not to say that the reviews and the commentary and the criticism is not valid or not valuable, because quite the contrary. I have learned a lot about products before even buying them through YouTube University. However, I think it is very critical to understand how much power we give people listening to what they're saying to us through a screen. And as a consumer, we see how powerful it is, because there are such things as PR lists and these brands strategically finding the right creatives to promote their products. This is one of those products that I always have in the stash, and every time I use it, I just forget how good it is. Like, I just sleep on it for some reason. I don't know, but shout out to Uncle Funky's daughter for this renew and whatever, heal and renew. My favorite thing about it is it has avocado in it, and every time I put avocado, anything that has an avocado listed as the ingredient, my hair just loves it. It's instantly moisturized, and the only thing to really help the moisture is to sit under a hooded dryer. Even though I didn't even do that today, I just put a plastic cap on my, actually I didn't even do that, I just let it sit in my hair. Okay, I just put it up and let it sit in my hair. You know, like I know, how bad it is, how tangled our hair is when we take braids out or any protective style when we haven't done our hair in so long. My favorite thing to do is to first wash my hair and try not to detangle as much as possible, just kind of smoothing in the product, cleaning my hair, and then putting in my deep conditioner, letting that sit, and then rinsing that out to detangle, or kind of like detangle, rinse out, like kind of simultaneously, because the conditioner with the water helps with detangling so much. So what is my point in this pre-review? I might review the products, I might not, I don't know. If you want to see my review, let me know. From all the videos I've watched, do I really feel like I'm missing out on anything? Especially because I'm a wash and go girly, and it's just not really given that this is a wash and go type of hair care line, just like Beyonce's really. But listen, what is my point? My point is, we are clearly living in a time where we are always seeking instant growth, instant gratification, and when it is put so simply in front of us, like, hey, you want better hair? This is how you get there. If you want to learn how to work out more consistently, this is how you get there. We are so quick to listen to a simple and easy, quote unquote, solution, and that can be dangerous to certain mindsets, especially ones that are lacking discernment. And I can be put in that category at times, where I've admitted on this channel before, I've bought something just because I seen it online, just because I seen someone else promoting it. In a time where inflation is high, child, it is no secret we are all out here struggling, all of us. Okay, like, where our coins go right now matters tremendously. And I don't know, something about a billionaire putting out hair care products in this right now, like, and for me to watch all these hair care reviews and none of them be like, oh my god, this product is like, go get it right now. Other than whose name is behind these products, why else am I buying this brand? I feel like we're at least at that point to say, hey, there are quality, affordable products out here for all hair types. What is your brand contributing other than I'm a celebrity? Before I continue, let's get into this combo though. After rinsing out that deep conditioner, I use the Camille Rose Milk Moisture. Love milk, been using it for years. It's a staple, love it. And then we're just gonna continue with the Camille Rose. We're gonna use the honey leave-in. Again, if you're not new to this channel and you've watched a couple videos, I'm sure you have already seen me use this product. And then what I like to use it with is either the MIELLE Custard, but I did not have enough of it, so then I just went in with my Extreme Wet Line Gel. And you can see what I'm doing. I didn't do much shingling, I just did a lot of raking. Make sure you get the roots, okay? Just do the sections, get the roots, and then work your way down to the ends, okay? My best advice for a wash and go, clearly this is not like a perfect your wash and go video, but I have those and I have more of them coming. So if you're enjoying this video, please like, please subscribe. I would love to have you back, and comment what you are enjoying exactly. I do want to make this clear though, I am not here to bash or even negate you from buying products, because at the end of the day, I realize that this is a world where like money needs to be made, money needs to be spent in order to survive, and that's just the realistic reality of it all. But I am here to say, where your attention goes matters, where your money goes matters, and it is so easy to say, hey, whatever, another celebrity made another hair care line, buy it if you want, buy it if, or don't buy it if you don't. Very simple to say, right? However, there are so many other factors that are at play. A lot of the times, like, it's not always that simple. And I really felt the need to put my perspective out here. Like, hey, yeah, there's a new hair care line out right now, but not everybody needs to try it. Not everybody needs to review it. And especially you at home, if you got your 4 products, your 4 brands that you stick to, it's not absolutely necessary for you to go out your way and spend $200 on some new products. And I just want to thank you for coming to my TED Talk. That's it. That's all. The hair, y'all, let me tell you, my hair be curlier than this. That's how I know it's time for a trim. This is my hair, like, as soon as I woke up the next day. And you can just see how dead, like, it just looks lifeless. So when my hair looks lifeless, I get the scissors out. And I start trimming. And that did make it look a little bit better, but honestly, I think I just need a trim. Like, my hair just needs a trim, and this did a little something, but not really what I needed to do, but it looked better by the end of the little trim I gave myself. But this was the wash and go. Good. Again, this is a combo that I can rely on. It doesn't give me as much volume, and I just, certain combos give you certain results, and if you're going for a more elongated, guaranteed no flakes, you just want something soft, this is going to get you there. But yeah, I just wish my hair was like a little bit more defined. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I do think it's because I need a trim. That's it. That's all I got for y'all this week. I really, really love the fact that you're still watching. If you made it all the way to the end, let me know if you did. I'm back next week. I got you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. And until next time, deuces.